Check out this beautiful doorknob set. Now it's got this beautiful crystal round glass doorknob on it. The one that I have is in a matte black finish. It comes in several other finishes as well. And I've got the one with the privacy option, so you can lock the door from one side and simply turn to unlock. Now this is easy to install. It is reversible, so it can be a left or a right option. And it comes with all of the hardware that you need. It comes with instructions. It comes with an Allen key. It comes with the screws, and it comes with the different plates you'll need in this. So overall, it comes with everything. Let's get this installed, and we'll see how hard it is to install and see how it looks. So you see here, I've got a standard satin nickel doorknob, and it just doesn't look great. These round glass doorknobs will accent just about anything so beautifully. They work in both residential and commercial. So let's swap out the old doorknob for a beautiful new one. As you see, I've got the old doorknob removed. I'm going to start with inserting the new striker, then I'll put on the doorknobs. And just like that, in a matter of moments, the new doorknob is installed and looks fantastic and functions perfectly. I am really happy with this doorknob. I hope this review is helpful for you to decide if this doorknob is the perfect doorknob for you to update your look and have a beautiful doorknob for your doors.